Oi, Ezra.
Oi.
What are we doing today?
Motor milk.
Today, I'm here with Ezra, DeLorean kid. Okay, we touched hands there. Did you feel it? No. And we're working on my Spider, and we have the motor mounts out right now. And because it's been so dang cold, the jack lowered itself, so the engine is on the frame right now. Which is, you know, not good, but that's where it is. So we're gonna jack it up and then install brand new motor mounts, courtesy of Sproul Motorsports. Link in description below. We're both sick right now. So yeah, we're gonna get this crack-a-lackin', homeboy. Let's get stuff done. Oh, we put the hood back on it. Okay. We're just working. Oh my jeez. The strap, the thing that's supposed to save the camera, almost just killed the camera. That's that. Oh, definitely just set up. Okay, 80%. I got the short one. We were right the first time. We're geniuses! I'm telling you guys, we're the smartest people on the planet. I'm just busy tightening this knot right here. Fucking, I can't see. It's hard the whole way down.
That's what she said!
Couple threads. What was that? What did you...
The socket.
You dropped the socket? Really? Because I think you dropped the ball. See what I did there? You see what I did there? You did. You did it again. You did it again. Nah, I don't want to hear that. It fell off. Crap. You totally did it again. That's wonderful. 2 times in a row, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I punched a stud. Look at that. I punched a stud. What the? Okay, I'm like 90% sure now that this replacement bolt we got is not the right size. Dude, it's not the right size. There's no way. It's... You make me look dumb here. You know, like... This is not a... This is a 12. It's a 12. No wonder it wouldn't fit. What? Oh my gosh. You know what reminds me of? Fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
How did you know? Why is this so hard?
That's what she said?
Good enough. I love you, Jack. Never let go. Jack! Jackery! Okay, let's let it off the hoist. Boy, come here. Come here, boy. This is how we do it. Get that good low angle. Yeah.
Cinematic.
Oh, it didn't budge an inch. We got it perfectly. It's sitting on the motor mounts. Yeehaw! Right here. Right here, Mike. Now, what we get to do, lucky us, is take that didn't sound good. Oh well. Ezra, would you like to do the honors of pulling the engine hoist back? Strong. Oh, Jesus. Awesome. Look at that. On the brand new motor mounts on either side. Boom. Brand new. Awesome. Yeah. 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 Now we get to put the intake on.